Here's a quick tip on the sampler, something that I discovered by accident. Maybe you know this, but if you go to edit like this, right, and then you select, say in here we select this little part here, right, divide that, then copy that into here, drop it, then look, you've got the individual samples there. Dead easy. I just sampled that tiny bit there. I can make it even more precise if I just go back and say just click from there to there, click in there, then copy that in there. Then I can just select where I want that to be on here. So this automatically goes to C3, which is here. And I've already got my sample edited the way I want it. And then I just go out of this, close this and save this as save, then do kick, now I have my kick all done there and saved. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and I'll be back soon. Ciao.